When I really want to jump into a big bowl of my favorite comfort food, I take out my slow cooker and make my crustless chicken pot pie recipe. Start by peeling your potatoes and dicing them in half-inch cubes. Set them aside and then empty out 2 cans of cream of chicken concentrate with the milk and spices and whisk everything until smooth. Place the chicken breasts into the slow cooker, making sure they're covered by the sauce. Place the frozen vegetables on top of the chicken, stir them in the sauce, and then add the potatoes. Once everything is stirred in, place the lid on top of the slow cooker and set it to the maximum setting. Then all you gotta do at this point is let it cook for 4 hours. If you're looking for something to do, why not bake off a batch of your favorite biscuits so you can serve with this dish? After 4 hours, remove the cooked chicken breasts from the slow cooker and place them on a plate. Shred the chicken breast with the help of 2 forks and then place them back into the slow cooker. Stir it all into the sauce and then you're ready to serve. Sprinkle with a little fresh parsley and enjoy. Find the full recipe at frenchkisscook.com. Click on the icon to subscribe to our channel and on the video for more recipes.